morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Rachanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. In today's episode of One Concept at 2 minutes, we are diving deep into KNN, that is K nearest neighbor algorithm. Imagine you have just moved to a new neighborhood and you are looking to buy a new car. You don't know much about the options, but you ask a few of your neighbor what they drive. Based on their choice, you make a decision. If everyone in the neighbor seems to own a sedan, you're likely to go for one too. This is the essence of K nearest neighbor. It's all about learning from your neighbors, making prediction based on the closest, most similar data points. So in this case, you're using your neighbor's choice to help guide your decision. Dear friends, KNN is one of the simplest and most effective supervised learning algorithm. It's a lazy learner, meaning it doesn't do much learning during training. Instead, it memorizes the entire training data set and makes prediction only when a new data point arrives. A KNN is like asking a room full of people for advice before making a decision. The more people you ask, the more reliable your decision will likely be. But if you ask too many people, it might become hard to weigh each opinion correctly. It's all about striking the right balance in finding neighbors who can guide you the most accurately. Dear friends, KNN reminds us that sometimes the best way to make a decision is to look around, find those most similar to you and ask for their opinion. Whether it's classifying a fruit or predicting a house price, your neighbors hold the key to understand the patterns. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick and clear lessons on AI and machine learning. See you in the next video, dear friends. Happy learning.